Have you ever wondered how to create viral shorts on YouTube? Today we're going to delve into the world of YouTube Shorts, the short-form video content taking the internet by storm. The journey begins with understanding your audience. It's essential to know who you're creating content for. What do they like? What do they watch? Use YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's preferences and content consumption habits. Next, keep your finger on the pulse of trending topics. Stay ahead of the curve by creating content around popular trends within your niche. This can increase the likelihood of your shorts being discovered by a wider audience. Just make sure it's relevant and adds value to the conversation. Brevity is the soul of a successful short. Aim to capture your viewers' attention within the first few seconds, keeping your video between 15-60 seconds. Remember, the goal is to deliver your message in a concise, engaging, and entertaining way. Visuals are key in this visual medium. Make your content pop with eye-catching visuals and clever editing techniques. Experiment with jump cuts, text overlays, and fast-paced transitions to keep your audience hooked. Don't forget about the mobile viewers. Shorts are primarily consumed on mobile devices, so ensure your content is optimized for vertical viewing. Make sure your visuals and text are clear and legible on smaller screens. You can't overlook the importance of hashtags and descriptions. Use these to maximize the discoverability of your shorts. Research popular hashtags within your niche and incorporate them strategically to increase your content's visibility. Encourage your viewers to engage with your shorts. Prompt them to like, comment, and share your content to boost its reach. You can do this by asking questions, encouraging participation, or including a call to action at the end of your video. Promote your shorts across other social media platforms. Sharing your content on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok can help you reach a broader audience and increase the likelihood of your content going viral. Now, for the cherry on top 5 tips to make your shorts go viral. Embrace originality. Stand out from the crowd with unique content. Ride the wave of trending topics. Consistently upload new shorts to keep your audience engaged. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and feedback. And finally, monitor your shorts' performance using YouTube analytics and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these steps and tips, you are setting yourself up for success in the world of YouTube Shorts. So, get out there, stay creative, stay consistent, and engage with your audience. Your viral short might just be a few clicks away.